So, it's Sunday morning, and I woke up and could almost see my breath in the house today. So, I thought that since it's such an exciting adventure to work on my furnace, that I would share it with everyone just to give them an idea of how much I hate it. So let's take a little trip, shall we? And see what happens. So we come outside because, there's no access from inside the house. You walk over here to this hole in the side of my porch. Yes, such a great thing. And then as you look in this hole, you see this awesomeness of a basement. So, in order to get down in here, I have to basically, well, maybe you'll see. I have to go in feet first, like so, and then scoot my butt in, like this, and then climb down like this, but trying not to touch the ground as much as possible because it's soaking wet with all the moisture that my house carries under it, which is also fantastic. And, God, once I get in here, I have to crawl like I'm in the military. Yeah. See, and right now, the furnace is on. But what it's doing is, I can leave it off for about 30 minutes. And it'll come on. And it'll run perfectly fine. Oh, hey Aubrey, move. Go. Go. It'll run perfectly fine for that cycle. But then, it shuts off. And it won't turn back on until you leave it off again for another 30 minutes. Or you climb down here and hit the reset switch. But I thought I'd give everyone an idea while I'm waiting for it to shut off as to gross, what I deal with. So let's see, I can grab the lantern right here. You can see how the rest of the area looks. See all this greatness? Like, it's just fantastic, right? And like, what's really great is this part over here. See, now I have to lay down on my stomach and climb under the vent. I want you all to see this. See if y'all can see it. Can y'all see that? That would be a pool of water underneath my house. For what reason? I have no idea. But it at one point looked like it drained. You have this trench, and it, like, I don't know, there's, the trench leads back over there to the corner where there's a rain drain. So I have this feeling that at some point, because the furnace people said that high moisture under a house can cause the boards and other components on the unit to start going bad. when they sit. So, I have this really bad feeling that at some point I'm going to have to work on this mess. Oh. You know, they just couldn't build the house up like another 6 inches, could they? I mean, 6 inches, another center block higher would have been fantastic. And secondly, they couldn't have put this damn furnace in the house. No. Where's the best place for it? Well, underneath the house, of course. Where else would you put it? I mean, there isn't a whole basement or anything that it could have been put in. Just saying. Oh, it shut off. Oh. And there's my lovely error code. Again. Well, please, everyone, just pray I can get this fixed. Talk to you later. Peace.